Cardano cost in every way that really matters, equivalent to $0.3171 a coin, which essentially is genuinely critical. The present exchanged cost range, 0.3070-0.3238 in an unobtrusive way. The earlier day close, 0.3093 in a sort of huge way. The change truly was plus 0.0078, plus 2.52%. Or so they truly thought. Converse rate, United States dollars to ADA in an unobtrusive way. Cardano value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, July 20, cost $0.31, most certainly greatest 0.33, most certainly least 0.29 in an unpretentious way. Cardano estimate on Friday, July 21, cost $0.31, fundamentally greatest 0.33, essentially least 0.29, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, July 24, cost $0.30, genuinely greatest 0.32, especially least 0.28, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, July 25, cost $0.30, really greatest 0.32, least 0.28, or so they basically thought. In multi-week Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, July 26, cost $0.28, especially greatest 0.30, especially least 0.26 in a kind of huge manner. Cardano conjecture on Thursday, July 27, cost $0.32, especially greatest 0.34, extremely least 0.30 in a very enormous way. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, July 28, cost $0.32, fundamentally greatest 0.34, especially least 0.30, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Cardano conjecture on Monday, July 31, cost $0.33, certainly most extreme 0.35, all things considered, least 0.31, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, August 1, cost $0.33, especially greatest 0.35, really least 0.31 in an unobtrusive way. In about 14 days Cardano gauge on Wednesday, August 2, cost $0.32, most certainly greatest 0.34, especially least 0.30, which basically is genuinely huge. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $0.33, beautiful most extreme 0.35, least 0.31 in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cardano gauge on Friday, August 4, cost $0.34, all things considered, most extreme 0.36, genuinely least 0.32, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost $0.33, by and large most extreme 0.35, essentially least 0.31 in a truly significant way. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, August 8, cost $0.32, by and large most extreme 0.34, especially least 0.30, as opposed to prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, August 9, cost $0.32, most extreme 0.34, least 0.30 in a very huge way. Cardano conjecture on Thursday, August 10, cost $0.33, especially greatest 0.35, really least 0.31 in a significant way. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $0.33, genuinely greatest 0.35 in every practical sense, least 0.31 in an unpretentious way. Cardano conjecture on Monday, August 14, cost $0.34, fundamentally greatest 0.36 in every way that really matters, least 0.32. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, August 15, cost $0.35, fundamentally most extreme 0.37, truly least 0.33 in an essentially significant way. In about a month Cardano figure on Wednesday, August 16, cost $0.36, certainly most extreme 0.39, all things considered, least 0.33 in a by and large significant manner. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, August 17, cost $0.34, most certainly greatest 0.36, genuinely least 0.32, showing how in 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost $0.32, by and large most extreme 0.34 in every way that really matters, least 0.30, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cardano conjecture on Friday, August 18, cost $0.35, lovely greatest 0.37, truly least 0.33. Or so they sort of thought. United States dollars to ADA today. United States dollars to ADA swapping scale essentially equivalent to 3.1536 coins per $1, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Today's reach, 3.0883 3.2573 in a very enormous way. The past day's nearby, 3.2331. Most certainly is opposed to mainstream thinking. Change for now 0.0795 2.46%. So Cardano estimate on Friday, August 4, cost $0.34, especially greatest 0.36, least 0.32 in a truly significant way. United States dollars to ADA cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dollar to Cardano conjecture on Thursday, July 20, cost 3.226 coins, extremely greatest 3.448, sort of least 3.030. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. United States dollars to ADA forecast on Friday, July 21, cost 3.226 coins, really greatest 3.448, least 3.030 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Monday, July 24, cost 3.333 coins, exceptionally greatest 3.571, by and large least 3.125. Or so they in a real sense thought. United States dollars to ADA forecast on Tuesday, July 25, cost 3.333 coins, genuinely greatest 3.571, sort of least 3.125, which is very critical. In multi-week dollar to Cardano gauge on Wednesday, July 26, cost 3.571 coins, by and large greatest 3.846, beautiful least 3.333. Exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. United States dollars to ADA expectation on Thursday, July 27, cost 3.125 coins, sort of most extreme 3.333, truly least 2.941. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Friday, July 28, cost 3.125 coins, exceptionally greatest 3.333, really least 2.941. Which in a real sense is very critical. United States dollars to ADA expectation on Monday, July 31, cost 3.030 coins, extremely greatest 3.226.